Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be taking a look at the Innoo vehicle dash cam for your car. A full HD dash cam with a slightly higher resolution than your normal 1080p. And this is from Amazon. I'll have a link down below in the description if you want to check out more specifications or buy this for yourself. Now it's 2017 and dash cams are really popular these days.
A few moments later.
Take a look around the box itself. It makes a big deal about it being full HD and slightly higher than normal resolution. At the front of the box, it just tells you a few more specifications, that it's got parking monitoring, so if anything happens while your car is parked, this will capture it. It's got a built-in gravity sensor, so if there's any action happening, the car hits your car, it will capture that. It's got a fast lock and unlock file system there, and it's left and right deviation, so if the car hits you from the left or right hand side, it will start capturing a video from there as well. On the other side of the box, you have some more of the specifications there, so you can see that it has a 4-inch LCD display. It's full HD screen as well. The photo format is JPEG. It's got night vision supported. It's got a 3-axis gravity sensor, so it's going to be able to capture when there's any bumps or incidents with your car. That's the voltage. It takes up to 64 gigabytes micro SD card. It's got a built-in microphone and speaker. It does the MOS video format, and it's got a 170-degree ultra wide angle high definition lens, so that means you're going to be able to capture a wide area from this camera, so it's going to be able to capture a lot of things, more so than your traditional dash cams. And it basically goes around with the same information around the box. So without further ado, let's see what you actually get inside this box. So it comes well protected with some foam padding. We'll put that to one side. So the first thing you read with is the dash cam itself. We'll put that to one side and see what else you get inside as well. Some more foam padding. So you get your car dash mount. So there's your dash mount there. So you got all your different toggles to change the angles and so on and so forth. Pop that to one side. Last thing you get in the box is of course the charging cable or the power cable, and this plugs into your car's 12-point car cigarette lighter area there. Unfortunately it is attached, so that means you can only use one device at a time, but it is micro USB or mini USB connection, so it's a mini USB connection there, and it seems like a fairly long cable, so put that to one side. You also get a SD card in here, micro SD card, 16 gigabyte Kingston micro SD card, 16 gigabyte, which is very good to see. So that also comes inside the box as well. You get your user manual there, color user manual, tells you about some extra features about this car. One of the extra features about this car is that it's able to detect distance, lane, and cars in front of you, so it can tell you that. So lane guidance and all of that stuff as well can be set up on this camera, and just some other things there about how to use and the different features of this camera, which is always good to see. And there's also a micro SD card, there's also a micro SD card reader, a USB, so you can plug this into a laptop, computer, or even your mobile phone using an OTG cable and be able to read the SD card that's included. So that's all that comes in the box. So this is all you get inside the package, and it is good value for money as well. Not a lot of cards, if any, dash cams come with micro SD cards. You're getting one included, so you don't have to buy an extra one. You get a card reader as well. If you don't have a card reader for micro SD, you get that included as well. You get of course the dash cam itself, a user manual, a very long charging cable, and of course the mount itself. So that's what you get in the box. Let's take a closer look at the actual dash cam itself. And I have to say, it does look very nice indeed. It looks like an actual professional camera. And there's the big 4-inch camera. So on the side here you can see you've got various different buttons, and they are the mode, up and down, OK, power, down, and menu buttons. There's your 4-inch large screen there, very nice. On the top there it seems like you've got your mount adapter, or you've got your mini USB charging cable. Seems to be a secondary port there. Looks like it could be a 3.5 audio input or headphone output. Doesn't actually say in the book what it is. You've got a couple microphones there to capture audio as well. You've got a reset button there, and a very nice design overall. And there's where your SD card will go, your micro SD card. Nothing else on the sides as well. So it looks like a very nice camera. It's quite light, so it's not really that heavy at all. But for what you get, for the money you pay in this package, it is a really good deal. Now, if you want to see some footage from this camera, make sure you check out the link below in the description. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment if you've got any questions as well. There will be a full review of this DashCam coming soon as well. So make sure you subscribe to see that. And we'll see you guys in the next tech video. Bye for now.